Whoa, check it out. Jordan, what are we doing today?
Jollibees.
What is it?
Jollibees.
It is. We're doing Jollibees.
Itadakimasu.
Oh, itadakimasu. Look it, check out this chicken. So we got Jollibee's chicken. Mmm. This might be my favorite fried chicken. Then this right here, this gigantic platter. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, so this right here is the family party tray of Jollibee spaghetti. Check that out. Do you see that? Whoa. And then, of course, we got the peach mango pie. And then, oh, good. And then look at this. This. Oh, smell that. That's adobo rice.
Good.
That smells good.
Good.
And then, of course, there's
Gravy.
ooh, that smells good too. Gravy. I don't know if I did it right last time, but we'll do it right this time. And then, whoa, this is mashed potatoes. And Jordan already started eating the French fries. And the big reason, one of the big reasons is we love Jollibee, but another reason is they have a, check this out. They have a chicken sandwich. So we will see how this chicken sandwich stands up to the rest of them. Oh, and then also, there's an Aloha burger. So there's like a teriyaki pineapple burger. So let's give it a try. Itadakimasu! Oh, today's word of the day. Today's word of the day is, I'm hungry. How do you say I'm hungry in Japanese? One more time. Oh, yeah. And then in Korean, it's 배고파. Uh-huh. So when you're hungry, in Korean, you go, ah, 배고파. Like that. Try. Oh, kind of like that. Yeah. That's when you're hangry.
Hangry?
Uh-huh. Do you know what hangry is? You get hangry all the time. Did you know that? Hangry is when you're hungry and angry. Or you're hungry because you're angry. Or you're angry because you're hungry. Hungry. Alright, hangry.
You're hangry.
No! Alright, let's do this. This is exciting. And then today I'm drinking calamansi. Ooh, that was satisfying. Ooh, yeah. Cheers. First, we should start off with the chicken. Let's just have one big bite of chicken, and then we'll move on to the other things, and then we'll come back to the chicken, because the chicken's good. That's just the crispy exterior, but you gotta get the chicken. That's a big bite. Oh, okay. I want to take a bite too. Oh, man.
This is gonna be the crispy part. Ready?
Mm-hmm. The gravy, you take your chicken and you dunk it in there. Oh, yeah. I don't know what it is. This chicken is so good. Here, I'll rip this part off. There you go. Look at all that juicy meat. You want that? The fried chicken is so good. Oh, dunk it in here? Okay. Did you dunk it? Nice, you got it. It's tender, it's juicy, and it's got seasonings on them. Let me take a bite of yours. Those seasons are so good.
Season?
Mm-hmm. The season's on here.
No, not season. Seasoning.
Oh, see, you're right. What did I say?
Season.
Seasons? That's silly.
Season on here.
I did? I meant the seasonings.
Chicken.
Let's try the chicken sandwich. Give it a try, Jordan.
Spicy?
Mm-mm. Oh, that's good. That was a big bite. Even though it was kind of small. That was big, though. How was it? Yeah. Yeah, like that. Ook! Here we go. So this is their chicken sandwich that they're comparing to all the other chicken sandwiches. Let's give it a try.
You want to mashed potatoes with fries.
That's good. Their chicken's good, so it makes it really good. But gravy chicken sandwich. Why didn't I think of this before?
Look at this. Look at this French fried potato.
Whoa. You know what? Honestly, if they made this with... This is chicken breast. I have nothing against chicken breast, but I like dark meat better. If they made this with chicken thigh... It's still really good. Wow, that's good. He's just eating mashed potatoes with fries on him. That's like potato on potato. Let me try. That's really buttery. Oh, that's really good. Okay.
I think they were good.
I'm going to move the bucket so we could try this spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Okay, so this spaghetti right here, this is the family tray. Crunch Mom actually loves this spaghetti. Did you know that? Mommy loves this spaghetti. Let's give it a try.
Let's scoop it up with a French fry.
I think the first time I've ever had Jollibees and getting the spaghetti was in Hawaii. I forgot which location it was. It might have been the one in Alamona Mall. But it was pretty good. And Crunch Mom loves this spaghetti. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. It's sweet. And it's got like a cheesiness because of the cheese on top. And then I love the sausages and the hot dog pieces inside.
So do you like hot dogs?
Oh, that's good. Okay. That's good. How is it? It's definitely more on the sweet side. But check, there's
More milk, please.
More milk. Oh my gosh. There's hot dog pieces in here.
I thought this was carrot.
Holy tamales, this spaghetti is good. Do they sell just the sauce? I wonder. We should just get the sauce and make it ourselves.
And the cheese that they make.
Yeah, that'd be good. That'd be good. Oh, should we get you some more milk? Okay. Here you go. Their chicken's good, guys. We ordered online, so you can. I guess you can. I don't know if you can do it at every location, but we ordered it online, so it was ready right when we got there. But there was someone who had ordered 60 pieces of chicken right before us. That's so much chicken. I can see why they're good. Okay. Are you ready for this hamburger? Actually, it's a cheeseburger. Check it out. There's pineapple in here.
I'm just gonna eat the pineapple.
Here, I'll eat this part. Let's have a little bit. Here. Oh, and there's bacon. Bacon pineapple cheeseburger. I'll squish it down so you can take a big bite. That was a huge bite. You didn't get any pineapple. How's the cheeseburger? Oh, you got the pineapple that time. Oh my goodness. It's juicy.
One more.
Wait. Let me get a bite.
Let me get a huge bite.
Okay, that's too much. That's too big of a bite. Oh, this is a good burger.
Bacon. Bacon jockey.
That's a good terry burger. Actually, it's not even teriyaki. It's just like bacon with a slice of pineapple. I would still eat the fried chicken burger over that, but that's a pretty good burger. Wow. Next, we're gonna eat this adobo rice.
I'm gonna do a different thing.
What are you gonna do?
Because I saw a French fry under here.
Oh. Whoa.
Oh, look at this noise.
Jordan, you gotta try this. Okay, this is good adobo rice. I mean, I don't think I've ever had adobo rice before. But this is good. Give it a try.
Is there beans in here?
No, there's adobo in there. How is it? It's good.
It's a little bit spicy.
Is it? It might be a little bit spicy. Oh man, this is some good spaghetti. So far, everything I've had at Jollibee's has been really good. I like everything we've gotten so far at Jollibee's. That's dessert. I think I'm going to do another piece of chicken. Take a look at this. Do you guys hear this? It's so crispity.
Crispity mimpity. Crispity mimpity.
You're silly.
Here.
They must marinate their chicken in something.
It's not that much gravy.
It's a lot of gravy.
But
It's soaked up. I don't know what they must brine it. They're so juicy. And there's flavors on here. I can't tell what it is.
What?
I can't. Whatever it is, it's delicious. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm spilling everywhere.
Does someone know what the fried chicken is made of?
Yeah, leave us a comment down below.
Made of everything you need to love it.
What? You're so silly. Okay. I think it's time for dessert. We've tried all of the savory stuff. We've tried all of their menu items. Well, not all of their menu items. We tried everything we ordered. Now it's dessert time. Okay.
There.
Peach mango pie. Oh, this is crunchity too. Oh, ready? Oh, it might be hot, Gigi. Do you see it? So it's filled with like a cherry. It's filled with peach and mango. Whoa. What? That's delicious.
Wait.
But it's not the only dessert we got. Let's go get it.
It's Hollow Hollow.
Bam! It's Hollow Hollow from Jollibee's, guys. Check it out. So this is one of those musts. If you're going to go to Jollibee's, you better get Hollow Hollow.
Yeah, it's so good.
It is. It's like our favorite. Oh, you don't take that off yet. Don't take it off because everything's going to come falling out. So, Hollow Hollow, I believe it means mix mix. So, what we're going to do, mix. So, there's custard in here. There's ube ice cream. There's shaved ice.
With jelly.
With jellies in it. Oh, man. And I think there's like ube sauce or something in here. There's so many different flavors in here, guys. And then you mix. So there's like things down here. There's like jellies, like coconut jellies in here. There's like red ones and green ones. Ube ice cream.
I want the green jelly.
We gotta try and get it out of there.
Yeah.
But let's take a bite of this shaved ice with the ube on top. There you go. That's the custard right there. Look. Try some of this custard with the... Okay, I'll get you one. I think there's like jackfruit in here. Oh, here it is right here. How is it? Is it good? Give it a try. And there's like jackfruit. Oh, this is so good. And this is perfect for like, well, anytime, but it's perfect, especially on hot days, because it cools you down. Oh, that jackfruit's so sweet. I love it. Chicken's super good. So get their chicken, peach mango pie, spaghetti, Hollow Hollow. Seems like a lot, but it's worth it. Oh, brain freeze. So I learned, I think the last time you guys told me to put like a finger or something at the top of the top of your mouth. It helps out. All right, guys.
Alright, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys.
CrunchBros.